Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over the 3 different ways that I go about charging my Kindle Paperwhite, and all of these different options I'll have Amazon links posted down in the description. So the first option is probably going to be an option that a lot of you guys use, which is USB Type-C to USB Type-A. USB Type-C is going to plug in to the bottom of our Kindle Paperwhite, and then the USB Type-A, you can either plug this into a computer's USB Type-A port, or you can have one of these wall adapters that has USB Type-A. We plug that in, we can plug it into the wall, and then of course the USB Type-C is going to be charging our device. Moving on to our second option, which is going to be USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Similar process to before, where one of these is going to be plugging into our Kindle, and then I have an adapter that has USB Type-C, so I plug that in there, plug that into the wall, and then the other end is going to plug in to my Kindle Paperwhite. Now also, if you have a computer or other device that has charging with USB Type-C capable, then you can plug one side into your Kindle Paperwhite and the other side into that USB Type-C port of a device that you can use to charge. But a lot of you guys are probably going to be using one of these adapters to plug it into the wall if you have this as an option. The third option that I have here is the Qi wireless charger. The Kindle Paperwhite is Qi wirelessly charged enabled, so I can plug this in either to a computer with USB Type-A, in this instance for this charger, or like the first option with this case, I can plug in the USB Type-A into this USB Type-A power adapter, plug that in, and then I can set my wirelessly charged enabled Kindle Paperwhite onto the Qi wireless charger, and you can charge it in that manner. So those are 3 options that you can use to charge your Kindle Paperwhite. I hope this video was helpful, and again guys, these different charging options, I'll have Amazon purchase links down in the description if you'd like to access them through there. But that'll wrap this one up. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you back here next time.